What if I told you that the biggest thing stopping your success is not your lack of talent, not your resources, not even your situation? It's your fear of failure. And the worst part, you don't even realize it's controlling you. You think you are waiting for the right time. You think you are planning, but in reality, you are hiding. Look around your life, the dreams you have never started, the risks you never took, the opportunities you let go, and all of them have one thing in common. You were afraid to fail. Today we are going deep, not surface level motivation, but the real uncomfortable truth about fear. And by the end of this video, you will either break this fear or you will finally understand why it keeps breaking you. Fear is the invisible prison. Fear of failure is not loud. It doesn't scream at you to stop. It whispers, "You are not ready yet. Start next month. What if it doesn't work?" And slowly it builds a prison around you. A prison where you stay busy but never move forward. You think a lot but act very little. You dream big but live small. And the scariest part, you get comfortable in this prison. Let's understand what's really happening inside your mind. Fear of failure is not about failure itself. It's about meaning. Your brain has created a story. If I fail, I'm not good enough. If I fail, people will judge me. If I fail, I will lose respect. So your brain does something smart. It stops you from trying. Because in its logic, no action means no failure, means no pain. But here's the twist. No action also means no growth. This is where it gets dangerous. You don't just fear failure, you fear what failure says about you. Because somewhere along the way, you tied your identity to success. So now, success equal to I am worthy. Failure means I am worthless. And your brain cannot accept that. So instead of risking failure, it chooses safety. Even if that safety is slowly destroying your potential. Fear of failure is clever. It disguises. It doesn't show up as fear. It shows up as overthinking, perfectionism, procrastination, waiting for the perfect moment. You tell yourself, I just need more time. I will start when everything is ready. But deep down, you know the truth. You are not waiting for the perfect moment. You are waiting to feel safe. And here's what nobody tells you. Avoiding failure doesn't protect you, it traps you. Because every time you don't try, you create a new version of yourself, less confident version, more doubtful version, more afraid version. And slowly, regret starts growing. Not loud, but heavy. And one day, you realize something terrifying. You didn't fail, but you also never lived. So how do you break this? Not by waiting for courage. Courage comes after action. You break your fear by taking small risks, not perfect action, just movement. By redefining failure. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of success. By detaching your identity, you are not your results, you are your efforts. By facing discomfort every day. Growth lives outside comfort. If you not break your fear of failure, at the end of your life, you won't be haunted by your failures. You will be haunted by your what if. What if I tried? What if I started? What if I believed in myself? Fear of failure disappears the moment you stop trying to protect your ego and start trying to build your life. If this hit you, don't just watch and scroll. Comment below, I will act despite fear. And start today. Because your future is not waiting for you to feel ready. waiting for you to take action.